So this is the west side of the house, west if you're facing the front porch. You'll see I don't know what that hole is. It's like some kind of vent or maybe a stove or fireplace, something or other. See that everything is pretty cheap. I mean, looks like somebody just redid this house and did it very cheaply. You can see the cheap windows. The siding is a composite, so at least they tried to match that with the other siding. Everything's plastic though. You can look up and see in the soffit and fascia. Or that's pulled back. Looks like doubled up 2x6s, and regular 2x6s were used to span this roof, which is probably a little bit small.
We can't see this
and you
roof.
can't really insulate.
You can't see this roof, but it might
We do have a gutter. These columns are actually metal and not plastic. But basically, you can see, if you've seen cheap soffit and fascia from Lowe's, that's what this guy did, is just wrapped everything in cheap soffit and fascia. And you can see even the nails are rusted. They're not aluminum nails or galvanized, they're just nails. Overall, this is just a 100-year-old house that somebody tried to renovate and sell, and they didn't know what they were doing, and they did a real poor job and cheap. There's a lot of work here. Now you can look at the front. I have no idea what that red light is. That's a weird red light on the front of the house. I'm not sure what it is. Here's the front of the house. It's neat as looks like you got 7-foot windows. And I would say, I don't know if those are original, but they are from, they're at least 50 years old, I would say. I would say, looking at the glass in them, they're probably 100 years old because it's that old wavy glass. So these front windows might be original. Same thing though with the soffit and fascia, though. It's all cheap plastic. Would all have to go if you're going to do a proper restoration. The front porch does look solid though. It is dirty, but the bricks are you could use cleaning and painting. But overall, it looks like a solid. Still not sure what that red light is.